Hey, what's going on everyone? It is the Naughty Degen here, coming at you with another video. In this video, I want to go over the first thing you should be doing once you get into Decentraland. I think this metaverse, I don't want to say game because it's technically a metaverse, but this metaverse being so open and, that's the idea of the metaverse, can be a little bit confusing to people who come from traditional like video games. So I wanted to kind of just give a short video on like the first thing you should do once you get into Decentraland. All right. Now, once you're in and you're connected with your wallet and you have your settings right, first thing you want to do, I'm just going to keep it real simple, not going to try and, bore you, is you're going to want to go to explore places. And from here, there's a lot of different options. I would recommend starting with Wonder Mine. So you're gonna hit jump in. It's gonna transport you to Wonder Mine. It's gonna take a little bit to load. It's it's a in-browser game. I would recommend having hardware acceleration on. And if your Decentraland's not running correctly, I did a video on that. So make sure you check that out to make your Decentraland run a lot better. So here we are in the Wonder Zone, and what you do here is you mine, okay? You're going to be mining here. And the way you mine is actually quite simple. So you start with a pickaxe, and you're going to be walking around, and you're going to be looking for these things that fall from the sky. They are like meteors. You see one right over there, right? You're going to be running around looking for them right over here. You're going to hit mine, it's going to mine it for you, and you're going to get resources for this. It's a pretty simple explanation. You're just mining. You can't mine two at once, so you don't have to stand near it, and you don't have to actually, you'll see it cracks open. You don't have to actually go in there and get it. It just automatically gives it to you. And they drop, I think, every minute one drops, if I'm not mistaken. I'm really not certain. But yeah, you're gonna run around and try and find these, and you're gonna be mining. And once you're done mining, or once you have a good amount of resources, you're gonna come. Let's see, where is it? Over here. And from here, you could craft stuff. Okay, you craft stuff over here. So, all right. So yeah, this is the Craft-O-Matic. You just have to click on the red arrows over here, and you could see that you could mine. You start with the bronze pickaxe. So you're not generally gonna mine that. Okay. You go one over, iron pickaxe, titanium, yada, yada, yada. The first thing before you get into like other aspects of Decentraland, I would definitely recommend focusing on one thing at a time. And that one thing for me would be mining to start off. Get your axes high level so you get more resources. And once you get resources, you could create wearables. Wearables can be sold, they could be worn, they could, that is a way of, getting your foot in the door with Decentraland. Obviously, there's so many different aspects to this game because it's a metaverse. Some people want to start off and go right into playing poker, and that's cool too. But I would recommend going this route. You can see all these different things you could craft, but definitely focus on getting your pickaxe to a higher level. That way, when you mine, you're getting a lot more for what you do, okay? Now, another thing is you need to note, see another one just dropped, is your pickaxe has basically like an amount of swings left. You want to use those up before you go to the next pickaxe. Now, if you use it up and you don't have enough for the next pickaxe, you're able to repair your pickaxe through using crafting materials. It doesn't cost that much to repair it. So make sure, let's say you have enough crafting material to get the iron pickaxe and you're starting at bronze, don't get it until this is at 0. Don't use up every little bit because it's effectively, you'll be wasting it if you don't do that, okay? Let me just click this off. I'm still new to the game, so I'm by no means a professional, right? But I just want to give this little pointer to kind of just show you guys like how it's done. Just go over here. You're gathering resources is what you're doing. You're gathering resources, and it's a lot of videos can be a little bit confusing on like, where do I do next? Where do I go? Just focus on the wonder mines, get your mining down, start crafting some wearables, and you will be good to go. Pretty simple, right? Not too complex. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a great day.